Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Couple quick clarifications. Number one, I am trading futures. If you don't know what futures are, I'll put a link down below to a totally free 4-part series that'll walk you through how futures work and everything like that. And as a little bit of a maybe thing to get you interested, if you are annoyed by suffering under the pattern day trading rule, there is zero pattern day trading rule in futures. You can have unlimited day trades every single day. Second, I am trading futures through a prop firm. What is a prop firm? How does a prop firm work? Which prop firm am I using? All that can be found up the link at the top of the screen. I'll also put it down in the description area. But in a nutshell, a prop firm is a way for you to put very little of your money at risk, and then you have a whole lot of upside potential. So if that sounds like something that could be of value, then definitely check it out. So I'll go ahead and pause your screen recording software for now. As soon as I find a potential trade, I'll get things rolling. I should note that I have actually already made one trade, and that is where the $65. So nothing huge, but that's the nice thing about futures is they're open up pretty much around the clock. So there's always a time to trade them. But like I said, I'll pause here and I'll try to find something else. All right, markets are open. I am in, out there for a nice quick little scalp. So I'm now up 5.15 on the day. If you blinked, you missed it. But yeah, futures can move. They can move very quickly. We'll try another trade, or maybe even try now on the flip side. And get short if it wants to come down to that red line now. Again, looking to get short if it comes down to that red line. I'm in on the short side. Blue line is my entry point. Picked up some more. There we go. Another nice little scalp there. Now I am up 1,200. Very good. Sorry about that. I meant to say I was go ahead and pause, but I actually clicked the pause button as I was saying that. But yeah, I will go ahead and pause. In fact, I think I'm done with this account for the day. The nice thing about prop firms is you can have multiple accounts, and then you can get into copy trading. I'm not doing any copy trading here, but with prop firms, there's a whole lot of cool things you can do. So I am going to change accounts and maybe try to take some trades on that one. But as far as this account is concerned, very nice start to the day. All right, having an order to get long here at that green line. And I'm on my other account now. Now that I think about it, did I even capture these trades? I don't know if I clicked record. Okay, again, green line is my entry. I apologize. I honestly don't remember. I'm kind of having a crazy morning over here. So I might have forgotten to record these trades. But yeah, this account is, it's doing pretty well. Let's see if I can get an order here. And I'm looking to go long at that green line. So the price needs to come up to me. It's got to be on this candle too. I just kind of, okay, got to cancel it out. Like I said, I wanted it filled on that candle. Maybe I'll give it another try, but as of now, I will go ahead and pause. Okay, I'm looking again to try to get, okay, I am in at that blue line. If the price wants to push back up through there. Again, blue line is my entry price, so if this candle can come up above it, that would be a good thing. There we go. Take a little scalp on that one. Should have just scaled out. I should have just sold one there. Should still have two. I'd be taking out another one. Should still have one now at this point. So that was a bad trade. That was a bad trade. I was oh so patient, and then that's how I treated it. Whoa. No. Well, a bad trade becomes a terrible trade now. Again, I would still have one. I would not still have three. I would have scaled out. Like I said, when I got out of that trade, I should have just done one of my three contracts. Then it came a little bit more. I said, okay, I do another one there. So I should still have one more. Yeah, it's a nice little setup there. And I was patient for it, waited, and then I botched it. Oh, well, it happens. Now, at least on the other account, I mean, I'm very happy with how I played that one. I panicked. I panicked. I did not panic. I worked the trade and then got a nice little gain from it. But yeah, that one, this one was right. And this one here, not so good. All right, I'll pause. And with that, I'm going to go ahead and call it good. So a couple accounts, green, one account, definitely better than the other one, but overall can't complain. And that's probably what I'll have to title this video, one good, one bad. And sometimes that's just how it goes. But I'm glad it wasn't too bad. Prefer, obviously, to be too good, but yeah, sometimes that happens. So one good, one bad. I think that'll be the title. Anyways, if you enjoyed what you saw here, you want to learn more about the tools I'm using, how to build consistency, how to manage risk, and most importantly, how to build a good framework for yourself. We're all going to be different as traders, but we do need to have the right framework, the right guardrails in place. And this class will help with that and a whole lot more. So if you're interested, check out the link in the description area or just go to claytrader.com/live to learn when the next live class is. And hopefully you decide to get signed up with that. So as always, thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out. And if you're not aware, I have been live streaming. So make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so that you are made aware of when I do go live. So if you want to see me trade live, ask me questions, or just hang out during the day, then make sure you do that. And like I said, then you'll be notified of when the live stream is, well, I guess live. So thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like button. Take care.